Hello, content creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 tools that will supercharge your content creation process. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these tools will help you take your content to the next level. So, let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 1, we have CapCut. This tool is perfect for editing your video with effect, transitions, and more. CapCut will give you a super animations for your video. Coming in at number 2, we have ElevenLabs. If you're looking to convert text to speech, then ElevenLabs is the perfect solution for you. Its advanced capabilities, you can create with us a content without speaking. Host. Next up at number 3, we have Handbrake. You can use for compress video. This is to reduce the extension of video at the same quality to improve the speed of importing your videos in YouTube. At number 4, we have ChatGPT. This powerful tool is essential for write a script. You just have to tell him, write me a script for this idea in a few seconds. You will have an idea script for your video. Moving on, the last we have Canva. Whether you're creating miniature of your video, graphics, or make logo, this is the best solution you can modify. Model you choose on your model.